Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Grand Volcania and grow a garden. Okay, to get this seed guys, you need to do crafting. And then these are the items that you need to prepare to craft this Grand Volcania seed. You need amber lily, 2 amber lily, and then dinosaur egg, and then also the ancient seed pack. Okay, I'm going to submit my amber lily. Okay, and then at the next one I'm going to submit my dinosaur egg, and then the last one we need ancient seed pack. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one. And then we can click on start crafting, and we need shackles as well. Okay, and we need to wait for about 45 minutes, and I'm just going to pause it and I'll be right back. Okay, and finally I can claim the Grand Volcania. I'm going to click on claim here, and then I'm going to plant the seed on my garden. Okay, let me find a place for my Grand Volcania. I need more spaces for the seed because it's big. Okay, for example, I'm going to place it here. I still have space here, so I'm just going to put on the seed. Okay, I'm gonna place it here, and then I'm going to apply a trick to grow big fruit. I'm going to put on sprinkler, and here I have basic sprinkler, and then advanced sprinkler, and also the godly sprinkler. And for your information, Grand Volcania has super slow growth, so you need to be patient to wait for it. Alright, and after adding the sprinkler, I'm going to leave the game. And we need few hours guys to grow the Grand Volcania. And here guys, on my garden, my Grand Volcania has grown. Okay, and this is the result guys. And even my Grand Volcania is already mutated. It's mutated to sandy. Okay guys, and that's all the way to grow Grand Volcania and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!